guys, I'm 183. I'm down another 2 pounds. So I'm down a total of 155 pounds, 15 away from goal. Hey you all, I'm embarrassed to tell you, but it is 12:15 and I'm just eating. It's been that kind of a day. So I'm having 6 ounces of pork steak, and that is a combination of some frozen Asian vegetables with a little bit of teriyaki, Jihu's teriyaki, and liquid aminos. So just, and a little bit of sriracha. So for an Asian flavor to go with the pork steak. So this is my breakfast and lunch today. And to be honest, that's how much coffee I've drank. So, okay, I will get back with you all later. Hey y'all, I am home. Now my work day is rarely ever so busy that I miss a meal. And let me tell you, I probably haven't missed a meal in good 2-3 months. I don't know, I couldn't tell you, because that's just not something I typically do. But it was just kind of hectic, and so it was a weird day. This is some of the zucchini that I made up 2 weekends ago. It had zucchini and some pico de gallo in there. Pico de gallo in there. Let's see. Oh, I need to warm that up some more. Hang on, y'all. Okay, well, this is the ribeye steaks that I made 2 weeks ago. Maybe 3 weeks ago. I don't know. It's 7 ounces. I had it on the lid. I'm going to add just a little bit of some smoked paprika. I seasoned it on the day I cooked it, but I want just a little bit of smoked paprika. Sometimes I just crave certain things, and that's what I'm craving tonight. Let's see. Let's see if it's enough. No, it needs something else. Like I didn't get enough seasoning on it. That was Larry's adobo. I like that stuff. Now remember, when I cooked these steaks, I made them of like almost medium rare. So hopefully whenever I heated them up, they would be closer to medium. So now, yeah, that's good. So I'm having steak bites, because you know your girl's lazy. And so after I cook my steaks, I cut it into bite-sized pieces, because now I just want to go sit in front of the TV and play some video games. The game I'm playing tonight is Red Dead Redemption 2. And this was, like I said a while ago, that's the zucchini. I used my food processor. My food processor, and it's zucchini and the pico de gallo. Now I burned myself. Okay, yeah, I'm not taking a bite, but I tasted it a while ago and it tasted good. So that is our supper: steak bites and sauteed zucchini. I'll plug all this in the chronometer. This was a terrible day for my calories. I was definitely pretty far under. I'm not normally this low, but it's just how the day worked out. Have a good night.